In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meta fields for product variants in Shopify. This is a handy feature that allows you to add custom fields to your product variants, giving you more flexibility to manage your store's inventory and offer a more tailored shopping experience to your customers. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and get started. First, we need to navigate to Shopify's website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify homepage. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store credentials. It's important to make sure you're logging in to the correct store, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Shopify home dashboard. Next, let's move on to the settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There you'll see the settings option with a nice little gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can adjust a broad range of your store's configuration options. But for today, we're focusing specifically on meta fields, so that's where you need to click next. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice the meta fields and meta objects option. This is where all the magic happens. Meta fields are incredibly useful for adding specialized information to your products and variants, helping you meet specific needs that the default Shopify fields may not cover. Click on the meta fields and meta objects link to proceed. After clicking, you'll see a list of different types of items you can add meta fields to, including things like orders, customers, and of course, products or variants, which is our focus today. Go ahead and click on products or variants. This selection will further guide the customization specifically applicable to what you're aiming to achieve. Now that you're in the right place, look for the button labeled Add Definition. Click on it. This is where you define what kind of meta field you'd like to create. You have a lot of options to play with depending on what information you need for your product variants. For instance, you can add text fields, numbers, files, or URLs, among other options. Define the meta field according to your specific requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully created a meta field for your Shopify product variant. Remember, you can always come back and make adjustments as needed. It's a powerful way to extend your store's functionality and ensure that your customers have all the information they need at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!